Hello everyone, this is Saf. Today I'm gonna show you how to create fake camera movements, whether it's a video or a picture. So first of all, you upload your video or image. I have this image already. So the first effect is we create with zoom in and zoom out. So we will click on the image or video. You open the image, go to video effects, go to transform, go to zoom. I have applied on a whole image or a whole video. Now if you click on zoom effect, you go on right, you can see the values you can change. So first I will create with the zoom in. For that we have to use inclined line. You click once, now you can see it's an inclined line. So we will give the two values. First value is 100 and second we can give slight zoom. So I will make it 120. So you have to check where you want to zoom in. This is the center. You can show and hide the center for the zoom effect from here on the right. Show or hide the center. You see, if you click, it appears and disappears. So I want to zoom the image to the mountains. I will place the center here. Now if you play the video, it looks like this. Same effect with the zoom. You can create the camera movement with the zoom out. You click the zoom again and reverse the movement. Instead of from 100 to 120, we will make it from 120 to 100. So 120 semicolon 100, enter. Now if you go in the beginning and play the video, you will see the movement. Now this is the first part of creating the fake movements with zoom effects, whether zoom in or zoom out. Now we will use the crop tool to create the fake movement or the pan and zoom effect. So I will remove the zoom effect. We will I'm already in the image. Let me show you from the beginning. This is the screen. I click on the image or video, go into the image. Normally we use these fake movements where our video is on one point static and you want to add some movement just to give some cool effects. So now to use the crop effect, you go to video effects, go to transforms, go to crop. I will apply, it's up to you, and apply a whole parent or I will apply on whole parent duration. Click OK. Now there are different styles you can use the crop tools. Most productive it is if you have the pro version, but I will show you with the free version. Okay, we have added the crop effect. Now to apply the effect, you have to be careful and you have to listen carefully what I'm telling you, because these points are important. Otherwise you will get confused while applying the crop effect. By using the crop, first movement that I will create is from bottom to top camera movement. Let me show you. You click on crop. On the right side you see the option for crop tools. You click on crop tools. You will see the border of the crop screen. In the beginning it stays for the full. For example, let me show you. If I make it 50, now you can see the full border. This is the crop border. So in the beginning what I want the screen to show only the lower part, and then slowly it will show the full scene. So for that we will use this inclined line, this one. This is also in free version. You click this. Now first we will click on the initial point, then adjust our crop screen. like this, move it to the center. Here you have to be careful that the dimensions of this crop rectangle should be same as the resolution of dimensions, the ratio of the dimensions of your full screen, full scene. There is a shortcut way to do that. You adjusted the size of the crop. Now you go on the right side, you can see this option of the cropped borders. You click on this square, this drop down will open. We want to have the same dimension as our scene has, so this is the option. You can set width according to parents aspect ratio or set height according to parents aspect ratio. So I will go with the width. Now why I'm telling you, you have to be careful that aspect ratio of the crop tool should be same as our scene is. If your aspect ratio of the crop tool is not same as the scene, you will have the black lines on the top or on the left and right. So now the aspect ratio is same. Initial point we set this one. Now for the end point, you move the cursor at the end, click on the point. Now it will automatically show it goes back to original size. You can see if you like this, if I will play and you like the result, it is fine. Otherwise you can make the same size of the crop as you had before. If you cannot do it manually, there is shortcut again. You will go on the right, click on the crop borders square. Now here you will see set the same border as previous point has. If you click that, it will be at the same position and the same size where the previous point was. But now we want it to move upward, so you can move it up like that. Now when you play, you will see the effect. It looks like this. And now let me show you the other style of using the crop tool from side to side. I will remove this crop effect, create a new crop effect, go to transforms, go to crop, hold parent duration, click OK. Now click on the crop effect, go to right, click on crop tools. Now you see the borders of the crop tools. Now we'll make a smaller screen. Now again we will set the aspect ratio of this crop screen to be equal to our scene. So you click on this, go to the set width or set height according to parents aspect ratio. This time I will use height. Doesn't matter, you can use width or height, it's up to you. I'll use height. I will set it to the bottom. Now we'll create the incline line. Our initial point is this one. Our center point is here. Now we'll go to the final point. Click on the last point and you will move this to upward like this. Now when I will play, you will see what. So these are some fake camera movements that you can create in free and pro version.